I've been reviewing a lot of offers. I've been reviewing a lot of contracts. I've just been trying to familiarize myself with the space that I've entered into, you know. So when I went into the boiler room, when I went there, immediately I knew I wasn't getting something for me. I wanted to get something for my brothers, you know. And the first one was sweet Guluva, and then the Kaiser Chiefs one is for my brother, my biological brother. You know, sweet Guluva is my brother from another mother. And the other one, the Kaiser Chiefs one, is for my brother. And I'm a private supporter. He supports Kaiser Chiefs. I'm not judging. It's fine. He supports Kaiser Chiefs. So I got it for him, right? So both those shirts were not, like, one was sweet Guluva and the other one was for my biological brother. And yes, my relationship with her was from day one. To everyone that started watching from day one, we got along from day one. She was cool, man. Like, add Ashley and Nate. I can't add them. We need to speak to them first, guys. You know, it's Friday and you don't know, maybe they're just resting. And did you speak to Nate? Yes, I did. I spoke to her. Yes, I was with her early on today. I'm a huge fan of Kobe. May his soul rest in peace. I'm a huge fan of Kobe Bryant. Such a gentleman, dog. Like, he's my inspiration. Yeah, LeBron is just a different breed, man. He's playing with his son, bro. LeBron is a different breed, bro. Steph Curry as well.